A very good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to learn the lesson Why Do We Fall Ill? What is that haunted the world in the year 2020? Students, we have come across with the number of words which is very familiar to us, isn't it? What are those words which you have seen in the newspapers and even in the news channels? That is nothing but wherever you go, lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. That is, we are homebound for the number of months. And even we have heard about that is social distance and compulsory wearing of masks and using sanitizer and hand washes must and should, isn't it? So these are the words which I have come familiar with. Then these are the related things for which one? Yes, very good. It is nothing but corona. That is nothing but COVID 19. That is hereby what happens in the year 2019 at the December time. What happens, we have started in the world, that is mainly in the China, that is coronavirus, isn't it? Here map is indicating about the spread of a corona. The whole world what happens has been affected by which one? That is corona. Coronavirus pandemic has haunted the human race, isn't it? People around the world had never faced this challenge before. That is, past few number of years, what happened, had never faced this kind of challenge. People have been homebound for months, isn't it? Even we were. Corona has become the major cause for the illness. You have seen that is number of people have been expired mainly because of this coronavirus. It has been affected not only health, along with the for the scarcity of food and even for the other things. What happened, corona has been caused number of problem. Then what is good health? Why do organisms fall ill? So we have heard of earthquake, that is in a places like Latur, Bhuj, Kashmir, etc., or the cyclones that attack the coastal areas like what happens Bay of Bengal or even Arabian or Indian Ocean. Like these coastal areas, what happen, you can see that is number of cyclone takes place. So in all these, what happen, one or the other way, what happen, the people will be affected, isn't it? It is mainly because of they will be affected by the health. The earthquake and even cyclone, what happened, they may be causing number of damages like that is spoilage of food and even the properties. It may be suddenly, but after some days you can easily see that is they will be affected mainly because of a health issues. This is mainly because a scarcity of food, it may be, or even what happened, the spoiled kind of a food which we are going to eat, it may be because it is not the food which is not available, and even the water which is contaminated, it may be, and even the places thereby what happened will be stinking with the number of organism, isn't it? So all these things what happen will be mainly directly affecting the health of any kind of an organism. Thus what happened, the cyclone it may be, or the earthquake it may be, or one or the other kind of the disaster what happened will be affecting the health of a human or even other organisms. So we have come across with the cell, isn't it? So cell what happened, it is the basic unit, isn't it? So we all know that is what happened. We do exercise or the doctor suggests, or even we do pranayama or the number of things, because we know that when we do exercises, thereby what happened, our muscles will be relaxed and restricted, isn't it? That is contraction and relaxation of muscles. Since there is an activity which is taking place in these muscles, thereby what happen, you can see that is to some extent a disease can be kept separately. But hereby what happen, because thereby why we can keep those number of diseases far away, because the cells are functioning within those muscles. So cells, we can say, they are directly main important for any organism, or we can directly say that is cell is a basic unit of living beings. So cells are made up of variety of chemical substances. What are those? That is protein, it may be, carbohydrate, lipids, and so on, isn't it? So these number of substances, they are going to constitute which one? That is cell. By seeing the picture, you may think that is it is not so dynamic, isn't it? But But the function which is carried by a cell, what happens, plays a major role, because each and every characteristic which the organism is going to play, it is mainly because of the function of which one they are telling, cell. So cell plays a very important role. As you all know that what happens, as we all know that cells will not move from here and there, but whenever cell is damaged or whenever something happens to the cell, means thereby what happen, you can see that is repairing of cell will be taking place, because daily what happens within the body of an organism, new types of cells are formed, and the older cells what happen, they are dissolved within the body of any of a organism. So thus what happens, cells plays an very important role. So new cells are being made, isn't it, as I told. And in the similar way, old cells which are present or the damaged cells which are present, what happen, they are dissolved within the body of an organism. In our organs or tissues, there are various specialized activities going on. The heart is beating, the lungs are breathing, the kidneys is filtering urine, and even brain is thinking, isn't it? So number of organs or number of tissues which is present, thereby what happen, you can see they are going to have a number of functions, but they are interconnected with each other, isn't it? So all these activities like breathing or digestion and even eliminating and thinking, they are interconnected. For example, if a kidney is not filtering urine, so thereby what happens, a poisonous substances will not be eliminated from the body, thereby what happens, it will be stored in the tissues of an organism. Whenever the poisonous substances or chemicals which are retained in the body of an organism, thereby what happens, those poisonous substances will affect the tissues which are present near to that. Whenever these poisonous substances are present near to the tissues, they are going to spoil or cause irritation for the tissues, and thereby what happens, those tissues will die, or even they may stop the working or functioning of a cell. Whenever the cell stops the functioning, thereby what happens, you can say that is nothing reaction will be taking place, and even thereby under such conditions the brain will not be able to think properly, as we all know. For all these interconnected activities, energies and raw materials are needed from the outside the body, isn't it? Whatever may be the activities which we are going to perform, it is mainly because of the energy which is produced in the body. We all know that energy production is mainly because in which one, that is mitochondria. Very good, that is in the form of a ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This, the energy stored in the form of a ATP, it is mainly because of a food which we are going to eat outside the body, isn't it? So these food which we are going to intake, they are going to produce the energy for the functioning of number of cells. So in other words, we can directly say that is food is necessity for cell and tissues for their functions. Anything that prevents proper functioning of cells and tissues will lead to a lack of proper inactivity of a body. So if any kind of a energy which is not supplied, thereby what happen, those kind of cells or tissues what happen, will not be going to carry out number of functions. So health and its failure. So what is the importance of health? Students, we all know that is health is very important, isn't it? So health is nothing but the kind of a way how we are going to live, isn't it? So we will be coming with the common word, that is being well, and even that is being not well, isn't it? So if we think about it, we realize that always implies the idea of being well. We can think of this well-being as affective functioning. For our grandmothers, being able to go out to the market or to visit neighbors is being well, and not being able to do such things is called as poor health. That is, it all depends on the function of a body, isn't it? That is being well. If you sit and read for the number of hours means thereby what happen, you are being well so that you can study. And if you are not going to, or if you are not able to study for the number of minutes, or if you are going to not concentrate on the subject or any other thing, means it is understood that is you are not being well, isn't it? So hereby what happened, we can directly say that is being wealth is nothing but a healthier one, and not being wealth is nothing but a poor health, we can directly say. So does the surrounding environment affect our health? Is it? We can directly say the surrounding health which is present around us, what happen, have a direct role on us, isn't it? You can see in the picture that is a heavy smoke which is coming from which one, factories or industries, and even the stagnant water or a sewage water here, the smoke which is coming from a factory, thereby what happens, it contains a number of chemical substances such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and carbon particles, and heavier materials like arsenic, lead, and number of these chemical materials, what happen, whenever it enters into the air, it mixes up with the air which we are going to inhale. Just imagine, along with this oxygen, if we are going to inhale, thereby what happen, these toxic substances also enters to the body through the lungs, thereby it cut down the rate of oxygen supply. If oxygen supply has been cut off, thereby it may lead to the death of an organism. Apart from this, even the number of chemicals hereby what happen, if it attaches or comes close to the contact of the lungs, thereby what happen, a bacterial infection may take place, and even a bronchital disaster or diseases will be taking place, and even the lungs will be affected. So along with that, the sewage water, you all know that what happened, it is a stagnant water, and it is a breeding home for number of microorganisms or insects. In this water, number of microorganisms are acting on each other, isn't it? So you can see that is number of that is microorganisms and houseflies and mosquitoes will sit on this, and they will start to breed. And you can see a stinky smell which is coming from here. Whenever these kind of smell which we are going to inhale, it also mainly affects the health. That is mainly respiratory problems we are going to face. Thus, so we can directly say that is the outside the environment also plays a very important role for the well-being of our health. So far we have learnt about what do you mean by a good health and how it will be affected.